Welcome back to JoJo's farm. Giving you a little update what is going on in the farm. Thank you all our subscribers and our new subscribers. Thank you so much. If this is your first time watching our video as well, please subscribe to our channel. We have this update going on. As you can see, there are a lot of work that needs to be done. The pigs are getting bigger and stronger, and these metal gates are not doing any good. When they hit it 1, 2, 3, then it comes off. They are also digging holes in on the ground, and these are things that we're looking forward to renovate. And so far so good. As you all know, one of our pigs guilt, one of our guilds has also given birth. As you all know, we were expecting it to follow, and thank God she followed. Gave us 11 piglets, and sadly we lost one. And you see this piglet, this guilt is a very tough, strong guilt. And as you can see, he dig all over in the pen when she was about to deliver. When he was about to follow, he dig the pen all over. But thank God, so far so good. The guilt and the piglets are all doing well, and we thank God. So far so good. This is the update, and in our next video we're gonna show you what is going on with the growth of the piglets. So far we have about 24 piglets, and gradually we are progressing. We are moving on gradually, and we thank God that things are going on successfully. Our biggest challenge so far is the feed. The feed has been a big challenge, and we trust in God we're gonna make amends and get some more feed. We're gonna use some method as well to make sure that we get enough feed for them. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, share, hit the notification button, and expect the next update. Thank you all. Bye.